Hey everyone, so I am here in the Rancho Sahuarita master plan and specifically in their newest community, which is Entrada, La Coraza. And right over here, you see the most popular model home that I have had so far, which is the Beech model. Everybody has been asking for it, and I'm here to do a full tour, so I'm really excited to show you. Now, really quick before I get into it, my name is Vanessa. I'm a Tucson Real Estate Agent, and thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe. I'll be putting full property tours every single week. I'm here to play as matchmaker, so I'm going to be showing you homes every week until you fall in love with the right one. If you have any questions about this model home, feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to help you in any way. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into it. So this model home that we're about to tour is right in the heart of the sought after Rancho Sahuarita master plan, which is in their newest community, Entrada La Coraza. The great thing about being part of their master plan is that you get access to all of their amenities, which includes their trails, 9 parks, 3 pools, their private water park, their fitness center, their kids club, and access to their private events just for their residents. The other greatest part about it is that you're a minute away from their hospital, a minute away from the school district, and only 20 minutes away from Tucson and about 45 minutes away from Mexico as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what Richmond Homes has to offer. All right, so I really hope you enjoyed that tour. It's such a nice model home, and they do have different floor plans. And not only that, but they are expanding throughout the Rancho Sahuarita master plan. So we have Entrada La Coraza, then we have Entrada del Pueblo as well. So a lot of homes that they're building, which is super nice. And again, a reminder, this is on the Rancho Sahuarita master plan, and I keep saying that because it's a very sought out after town here in Sahuarita. You get water parks, you get trails, you get community events, you get so many things just by being part of this master plan here. So for my family, this is one of the places that we were looking into. This is one of our top choices, so I really recommend it. It's just absolutely beautiful to live in. One of the safest neighborhoods here in all of Arizona as well. So definitely worth looking into. Other than that, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.